magiging referee yan. Umpisa na tayo sa round number 3. And because it was called a knockdown, binigyan, well, the other case is called the other by 10-8. So by the way, the end of 2 rounds, Manny has landed 23 punches. Wawalo lang ang nalalanding ni Algieri. So it's been a one-sided fight so far. Which is surprising, Ganito. We know that Algieri comes into this fight with one of the highest work rates in the welterweight and light welterweight division. They say it's about 90 punches, albeit not all power, no, he throws a lot of punches and about 90 levels per round. But right now, Manny is out-punching him in terms of attempts. Well, obviously, we all know about the work rate of Manny Pacquiao as well. Pero parang ito si Chris Algieri has gone on defensive mode really more than anything else. Kaya medyo bumaba yung kanyang work rate na pinag-usapan natin. Sure. But Manny also shortened the distance. Manny's still missing. Kasi masyadong malayo si Algieri. So Algieri's keeping the big pickles away. You can see that Manny being very calculating here. I think also nakikita natin Manny si Algieri. Manny gives him a little bit of a favor. We see there's a reaction from Algieri. So come back. Take advantage. Right toss counter by Manny. Really connected early. Algieri is still keeping enough pace and rhythm, but moving backward and trying to leave something behind for Manny after attacks. Inaasahan niya na makita ng mga judges yun pagdating sa end of the day when they come up with their scorecards. Oh, nice shot. Right hand. The right hand lead of Algieri is something that you should be using on a regular basis aside from the jab. Again, tandaan po natin yung reaching right advantage. Nandiyan yan, hindi po mawawala yan. You can see the movement of Algieri. He's really trying to make Manny work as far as Manny's trying to chase him down. And it's keeping a take distance away. Tama yung ginagawa ni Algieri. Even if that left shot is not landing, at least it's keeping Manny away from him. That's right. And again, Manny, as always, on the back move. Hinahabol pa rin si Algieri. Let's see Algieri in trouble. And he comes up with a big right. Talking about Chris. You know, the left hand of Algieri slightly down. It's giving Manny an opening with the right hand. You see the left hand. He throws it out of a jab position to Algieri, but when he brings it back, it gives a nice opening for Manny for the right hand. But